When I turn this thing on for the first time, it will bring me to a startup message, which you will see very soon. Okay, this is the startup message. So you can select your language or the country you're in, and then press start. And then your Wi-Fi, time. We'll just skip this part. We'll call it MiSS. So there you go. This is the desktop. So this is the desktop for the tablet. Now the screen you're looking at is a 1280 x 800 LCD screen with wide extended graphics array, or WXGA for short. So everything you see on the tablet is crystal clear and very clean. Let me show you how nice the screen is. Go into wallpapers. If you look closely, the details and lines of each graphic is so clear. Now I want to show you something cool. So just focus and look at the screen when I turn the tablet to sleep mode. You see that? Turns off like a TV. I've been turning it on and off ever since I got it. Now onto the desktop. There are built-in apps like your internet browser, email, YouTube, Play Store, Play Music, Gallery, your calendar, and your camera. Okay, let's talk about the processor. MiSS uses NVIDIA Tegra 3 quad-core processor and 1.3 GHz. So it basically gives you supreme processing power at the palm of your hand. I've tried the browsing speed with web pages, and it is amazingly fast and convenient. Gotta give credit for this. They use 4+1 quad-core processor technology, so the fifth core, what it does is it's a battery-saver CPU core that helps maintain ultra-low power consumption. And I think most people like me hates it when we have to worry about how much battery life is left while using it. So this solves the problem. The system memory is 1 GB, which is extremely good system memory for a tablet. Can't complain at all. So this thing gives quite a punch in terms of memory and speed. Now the new Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 also has a memory of 1 GB, but the system processor is only 1 GHz dual-core processor. So MiSS actually really stands out in terms of performance. Now the ASUS Transformer T300 also has a system memory of 1 GB and the system processor is NVIDIA Tegra 3, but the clock speed is only 1.2 GHz, and it's heavier. T300 is 630 gram, while MiSS is 542 gram. Now onto the battery. The tablet's battery is lithium-ion with 7,710 milliamp, or mAh. But the battery is sufficiently large for a tablet, so battery life is extremely long. This battery size is even larger than some, if not most, tablets out there. The developer says that you can use up to 10 hours with Wi-Fi on, which makes sense considering the size of the battery. Now my laptop can't even get through 6 hours without plugging it in. Now let me go into the settings and show you the operating system MiSS is running on. Now as you can see here, the model of this tablet, like I said before, is called MiSS, and the Android version is 4.0.4, which is called Ice Cream Sandwich. Now I know everybody is getting all excited about the new Android OS called Jelly Bean. Well, good news, this tablet is compatible to Jelly Bean. The developer has announced that by the end of October, they will provide free update to Jelly Bean for this tablet. Gotta applaud the developer for this because I'm excited about Jelly Bean. Now let's get back to the desktop. Now when I click into this button right here, it gets me to the Apps and Widgets tab. So right here is where all the built-in apps and the downloaded apps are. This is the Widgets tab. Now let's say you want to transfer an app from your Apps tab to your desktop. All you need to do is press and hold, and it will automatically go to your desktop. Now, creating a folder is even more easy. So let's get back to the App tab. Now just hover over to the app you want to put together, and there you go. That's the folder. Very easy. Okay, let's get to the sound system. As I said before, this tablet uses SRS True Media to enhance and perfect its sounds for its user. So let me show you what I was talking about. So this is SRS True Media. The app is built-in with the tablet, so you can find it in the App tab. Now once you're in, you can see the different modes you can choose from. You have your music, your movie, and your podcast. And then you can adjust the bass, treble, volume boost, turn it on or off, and the on and off button for SRS True Media. Now the developer made it very convenient. They made a shortcut menu where you can turn off and on the SRS mode. Now, let me just choose movie mode, and then I'll go to the desktop and show you what a movie sounds like. Okay, here's the movie. Now try and listen to the sound. Now this is SRS with not turned on. I'll turn on SRS right now. Pay attention, listen to the difference.
I'm looking forward to some Taiwanese. Oh, that sounds great.
See the big difference? So it's definitely good to have this feature in the tablet, just so you can enjoy the sounds a bit more. Now I'll play a song and let you hear the difference, but first I have to change the mode, and I'll do this from the shortcut. This is an alternative way you can change an SRS True Media mode. So I'll switch it to music, and I'll get back to desktop. This is, by the way, the tablet's music center. Let me show you. It's called Play Music. So this is the tablet's music center where you can organize your music. So I'll just play a song and show you guys. See the difference? If you're actually in front of it when you have it turned on, the sound is just amazing. Definitely a good thing to have. Now I'll show you something fancy. I'll turn SRS back on. Now I'll go back to my desktop. The music is still playing, and if I want to skip to the next music, I can actually access it from here. Or I can pause it. There you go. And make the changes that I want. Now another nice built-in app that the tablet has is its navigational system. The Navi works just like any GPS in the market. This one right here. And as you can see, it has a couple of cool ways you can find your destination, such as speak destination, type your destination, search from your contacts, or start spaces. And you can also select your method of transportation, this icon right here, and other cool features. However, you can actually download GPS apps like TomTom yourself, because this one right here actually requires Wi-Fi connection. Now let's look at some games and see how it looks like on this thing.